Okay guys, so we're down here doing a motor mount on a PT Cruiser. So we're actually doing struts, lower control arm, and motor mount. Now for the motor mount, you want to come down here, as you can see, this one just replaces that. It's a slightly different, because this one's got a extra piece on the end, but the new one doesn't. It is the same though. So that's just a matter of, you have a bracket, comes down from the body right here, goes to the mount, and this bolt goes through the front part of the mount, and then this arm attaches to that. So it's just a matter of getting those out and one bolt out of the front, and done, replaced. So I'm just now taking out, where'd it go? Wrong one. It's a little tough. Just getting the front out of the actual block. And voila, that is that. Very, very simple. But I can't say easy peasy Japanesey, because it's actually easy peasy chinkin easy. Okay guys, so I got my pry bar set up in here. I just had to pull the motor back just slightly, took the weight off of the jack, and it lined up no problem. Because I'm replacing the lower control arm, I have to take this motor mount off, because the bolt for the control arm is behind the motor mount. So the motor mount, the control arm bolt is behind this. So it's got to come back out. I just noticed that. So that's no problem. So there's the bolt for the lower control arm. And the other bolt is right there for the lower control arm, and it's just one of those slider ball joints, no problem. Just move that and good as gold. How you doing? Hey. Okay guys, so we got the first control arm bolt out. Now we just got the one bolt back here that I showed you, and that looks bigger than an 8. Yeah, that's bigger, so I'm gonna guess it's a 22 up in there. Okay guys, I believe it's a 24, but all I've got is a 1 inch, so should be all right. Alrighty guys, so I got the other one loose, but I'm not going to pull it out yet until I actually get the stabilizer linkage undone. And as you can tell, it's cockeyed, but no worries there, because this vehicle's actually been in an accident before, so that's what's causing this cockeyedness. But so it's just a matter of, this is like a 14 mil bolt. Yank that through, and then we can finish taking out the rest of that lower control arm, this ball joint, and then replace it with the new. Alrighty guys, so because of the stabilizer bar linkage bolt is bent, and I can't very well pull it down through because of the bend in it, I had to pull out the strut first. And because of this PT Cruiser's got air conditioning, convertible, go figure. Because it has air conditioning, here's all your air conditioning control and your cruise control and everything. But the air conditioning lines are in the way. To take this bracket and swing it out of the way, to get to the strut bolt. So basically all you got to do is loosen it, and you can maneuver this around to be able to get to the 3 strut bolts. So I've pulled the strut bolts out and got this out. It's just regular strut. Everybody knows how to, pretty much know how to do that. So as you can see down in here, way down in here, that bolt is the one I can't get to go down because it's actually bent. So what I'm gonna do now is, because the strut's out, I can actually undo the lower ball joint, raise this whole unit up, then pull this whole control arm out over top of the bolt, and then replace it the same way. But just that one bent bolt is my problem through the sway bar linkage. But we'll get her done. There's no doubt we'll get her done. And this is only one side, still gotta do the other.
Hi everybody. So we basically completed this. First we completed the control arm right here. If you can see, it's shiny and black. Then we have the motor mount over here. And then we have the strut right here. So you see everything is back together on this side. The other side still needs to be done. Rick here is doing it where I have to go for this time. I just want to say, oh, thank you. I just want to say thank you for viewing our videos, and well, Rick's awesome to say that. So thank you.
Yep. See you in the next video.
See you in the next one. Hello, you everybody. Hello, everybody. Everything's done. Hello, everybody. We have this side done, the right side. We have the lower arm, the mount, or the. See, I can't do this. Hi, everybody. We have the right side completed. Now we have to, or Rick's going to have to finish the other side since I'm not going to be able to be there. Everything worked out well. You know, Rick's awesome. You guys know that. So can't wait to do
You're a
more.
great helper. Absolutely great helper.
Thank you. And then